Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about comparing numbers. So let's take a look. So we have less than, equal to, greater than. We use that comparison language when we are comparing numbers. Okay, so here an example is 6 is more than 3. So we say 6 is greater than 3. We can also say 3 is less than 6 or 3 is less than 6. Remember, the alligator is hungry. It wants to eat the bigger number. Okay, so more than, this is more than because it is a greater number. This side is less than because this is fewer. Okay, don't forget, we use these symbols to compare. Less than, equal to, greater than. Greater than, 14 is greater than 11. Less than, 11 is less than 14.